December 16th, 1775, I was welcomed to the world. Hi there, my name is Jane Austen, and I'm a famous author.
So 6th grade at Grundy today, we're having our living museum. So we've been studying biographies in our nonfiction unit, and we wrote up on Canva, we wrote up a newspaper. So they're pretty familiar with Canva. They've used it in both of our classes in 6th grade. And so this hits our informational writing standards. And so we've been hitting nonfiction in both reading and writing areas, and they had a lot of fun with this because they wanted to make it look like the time period of the person they were studying. And so they have this as a prop in their museums today, and we get to show this off to our families tonight at Open House.
I chose Nathan Hale, and I was like, why not? I haven't done anyone from the Revolutionary War before.
I chose to be Yuri Gagarin for this project because he was the first person to go to space, and I would love to go to space someday. I learned that he was known as the cosmonaut who never stopped smiling. Like he was also very modest, and he was very happy.
For my wax museum project, I did Albert Einstein. I chose him because I'm really interested in math, and I thought his theories that he made was just crazy, but also I wanted to learn more about it since a lot of people didn't know. I learned that you might hear about people's names, but they may be more interesting than you think if you take the time to figure out about them, because, oh, they may have done this, but they could have done lots more other things that you just didn't know.
We were very nervous and fidgety today as we came in. And so we all took a deep breath and we talked together, and I just told them, as a teacher, I have to present every day. And so many of our jobs in our future will require us to present with confidence. So I told them I want them to walk away today with a feeling of confidence. They are educating others as they're coming around, and we talked about how good it is for our bodies to learn how to deal with a little bit of stress at a time, so that if anything big comes up in our lives, we can deal with that in a healthy manner. So we talked a little bit about it's okay to feel nervous and a little bit stressed today, and we'll just feel better at the end of the day because we have overcome that feeling.
Once you have people go through like 17 times, it's easier.
I'm so proud of what these kids have done. We produced all of the academic pieces at school, but then I told them at home they were just responsible of getting a costume together. It did not have to be elaborate. I didn't want them spending a lot of money on it. We kind of pulled some props either from school cabinets or from each other. We helped each other out. One brought a flag for another, things like that. Grabbed a magnifying glass for one of our secret spies from Miss Odom's science cabinet. So we came together as a team and kind of helped each other out, and they showed up, and they are still statues until someone activates their button, and they're really coming into character when someone presses their button, and I'm very proud of them.
As you can see, E equals MC squared. Any questions?